In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Vidiq subscription. We'll start right from your browser, open a new tab and search for vidIQ. Look for the official site at vidiq.com. Before you click, double check that the URL is correct and you see the secure padlock in the address bar. That ensures you're heading to the real vidIQ site where you'll see the message about getting more subscribers and views on YouTube. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right and select Login. This takes you to the sign in page. Type in your email address carefully and then choose Continue with Email. On the next screen, enter your password and then select Log In. If you ever have trouble signing in, you can use the password reset option on that page. Also, for security, make sure you're on a private, trusted connection when entering your credentials. After you're signed in, you'll land on your vidIQ dashboard. Look for the Upgrade option. It's typically visible near the top of the page or in the main navigation. Click Upgrade to view the available plans. Now choose the plan that fits your needs. Take a moment to compare features, such as advanced keyword tools, competitor tracking, and daily ideas. Decide whether you prefer monthly or annual billing. Annual plans often come with a discounted rate. Check the currency, any applicable taxes, and whether a trial or promotional price is shown, including what the price becomes after the promo period. It's also a good idea to review renewal terms and the cancellation policy so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready, proceed to the payment section. Enter your card number accurately and make sure the name on the card, expiration date, and security code match what your bank has on file. Some banks require an additional verification step, like a one-time passcode, so keep your phone handy for that prompt. If a billing address is requested, use the address associated with your card to avoid declines. Finally, click Pay Now. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on screen and receive a receipt by email. Save that receipt for your records and consider setting a reminder for your renewal date so there are no surprises later. Once payment is confirmed, your upgraded features will unlock in the dashboard. From here, you can start using the enhanced tools to research keywords, analyze competitors, and optimize your YouTube strategy right away. That's it. You've successfully purchased a vidIQ subscription, safely and confidently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new tools.